Feetz recently partnered with another company, a footwear retailer named DSW Inc. The two of them have plans to combine Feetz's knowledge of 3D printing and DSW's experience with retail to have an impact on the 3D printed footwear industry. Companies like New Balance and Nike are setting up their own partnerships to release revolutionary products in the world of 3D printed footwear. The race for better footwear, however, is not just about who the big companies are. It's about who has comfortable and efficient designs. A little over a year ago Feetz was only a startup company, and after raising $1.25 million in funding it became a fully-fledged company. With Feetz additive manufacturing technology and their partnership with DSW, sooner than we know it we'll be seeing affordable, comfortable, and sustainable 3D printed shoes. We could even see these shoes on sites such as 3dshoes.com in the future. Feetz 3D printed shoes are tailored to help provide maximum comfort. To ensure the best chance for a great fit, each pair will be available in 22 different dimensions. Customers will be able to use Feetz's special size me fitting system to get as close to perfect as they can. Each pair will cost $199 a pair and guarantee 500 miles of walking. After the shoes are worn out they can be sent back to the company and recycled, after which a new pair will be sent back.